Relivia Pro Foot Massager is being promoted as a powerful at-home device that claims to relieve foot pain, improve circulation, and deliver a spa-like massage experience. But the real question is whether it actually works or just looks convincing. The product is typically marketed with features like air compression, roll-in massage nodes, and heat therapy, all designed to relax muscles and reduce tension after long hours of standing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Foot massagers with compression, rollers, and heat can provide temporary relief and relaxation, especially for tired or sore feet. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong clinical evidence that devices like Relivia Pro provide long-term medical benefits, and many of the claims, like significantly improving circulation or treating foot conditions, are often exaggerated. There are also some concerns when looking at similar products. Many of these massagers are rebranded versions of generic devices sold under different names, with similar features but inconsistent quality and durability. User experiences across this category are mixed. Some people say these devices feel relaxing and help with soreness, while others report weak pressure, short-lived results, or the massage feeling more like vibration than deep tissue relief. It isn't really much of a massager, just vibrates. It's also important to understand that foot pain often has underlying causes like plantar fasciitis or poor posture, which usually require proper treatment, stretching, or medical advice rather than just massager. So, is Relivia Pro Foot Massager real or fake? It's a real product that can provide short-term comfort, but the bigger health claims are likely overstated. The bottom line is that Relivia Pro is a functional foot massager, but it falls into a category that's often overhyped. So it's best seen as a relaxation tool rather than a medical solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.